Hey, I wanted to go through a couple of the features that make the Aces super unique, and one of those is a one-of-a-kind flip-flop style rear hub that we developed for this bike that allows you to easily change gear ratios for freewheel and also to easily set up the bike fixed. That's something that's not available on any other single-speed belt drive bike out there. There's a lot of rider benefits to riding a belt drive single speed. Previous iterations in the market only offered very limited flexibility with gear ratios. It would be prohibitively expensive to change your gear ratio. Now we've overcome those obstacles by providing a bike that you can easily change gearing and ride fixed or freewheel. Customizing your gearing on a belt drive single speed has never been easier because we have a totally unique rear hub on both the Ace of Spades and the Ace of Clubs. This hub is the first of its kind. It's the only one to combine a cassette free hub and a track-style fixed interface. Having that means you can easily change your gearing on the front anywhere from 46 to 60, and on the back, on the fixed side, anywhere from 19 to 24, or on the freewheel side, the cassette side, anywhere from 20 to 32 if you want.